Hello everyone, I am Suraj Das. I have secured AR 10 All India rank 10th in electrical engineering. Uh, Actually, I have taken coaching, classroom coaching in S Academy, Kachiguda, last year 2015, and I secured last year 4,900 rank. But this year I improved a lot and secured AR 10th in electrical engineering. First of all, I would like to say about some classroom coaching about is the for electrical engineering specifically, the concepts, the core subjects they taught very clearly. In 2 years, I have not even found any single mistake in any classroom material. So the basic concepts they taught us is extraordinary. So those who are attending the classroom coaching, try to follow, attend each and every class, and try to listen the teachers each and every moment, because in 5 minutes also, if you are if you are somewhere else, your mind is there, then you will miss some great teaching or great things, so that it may hamper you in exam. And next, I have seen my juniors, those who are attending this year summer vacation classroom coaching. I have seen some of them, they came here for coaching, but sometimes due to the pressure they spend outside timing. But I sincerely advise them, if you have some aim particularly, and if you have came here for coaching, then focus on your target and attend classes sincerely. Don't don't waste your time elsewhere. And next, I want to say that every student who prepare for GATE, sometimes when giving mock tests, they think that they found there is some silly mistake. They always everyone said I have done some silly mistake, but faster find out what that silly mistakes are. Is that if you don't have, means you have to improve your concepts, or is there any, means your speed just made you do some mistake. First find out that if you want to improve your concept, then follow the class notes and then refine it from good author books, so that if you improve your concept, then definitely it will help you in exam. The next thing I want to say that everyone want to say the time management is the main focus in GATE exam. So everyone try to improve their speed, but I want to say that don't follow on improving the speed, because if your concept is clear, definitely you can answer each question in time. So don't try to only increase your speed, because if you increase your speed, definitely your accuracy will go down. So that's why I want to say that first increase your concept, try to follow the class notes, and definitely have respect for your aim also, because if you because when we are in college, everyone from our batch thought that we will take the GATE exam, we will crack down any PSU, but when the time goes and when the exam comes, the attention of everyone goes down. So I want to say that if you are trying for one thing, then stick to your aim, maintain your prepare your own strategy, which strategy is suitable for you. It's not like the same strategy is suitable for everyone. So first find out in which way you can only prepare, which is more suitable for you. That only can help you. It will give you the boost, and get the motivations when what you are getting from the teachers, because they have some experience and they share that with us. So try to learn something from them, because the main thing, because I have also taken coaching last year, but I got a not so good rank last year, but I secured good rank this time. But the whole 1 year taught me many things in life. The one thing, because many students are today giving GATE exam, but the only thing they are means at least 1,000 people prepare at same level, but the only thing which who gets success is at that time who gets the stability, and in that 3 hour who performs well. So if you are taking the risk, maintain your stability, be positive always, and your hard labor will give you the success. And success has no fixed timing for everyone, it will come to you. If you are done hard labor, it will definitely come to you. And I will suggest this to everyone. Okay, thank you S Academy for giving such moral boost and main knowledge base I have got from the faculties. Thank you all.